Welcome to Epic Blockchain Technologies. In this video, we will guide you through the Perpetual Tune feature and show you how you can tune your miner on our Epic WebDash. If you haven't bought your UMC boards, please refer to this link or email us at info@epicblockchain.io. Go on support page on the website to download Epic Dashboard. You should be able to find your miner's IP address through scanning on Epic Dashboard software. If you are ready, let's go and learn about the Perpetual Tune. There are two Perpetual Tune features, Voltage Optimizer and Chiptune. Voltage Optimizer is used to maximize miners' overall efficiency at user-specific target hash rate. And Chiptune is used to maximize performance of each chips at user-specific target hash rate. Let's dive into the Voltage Optimizer. This algorithm adjusts the frequency of the chip to achieve the user-specific target hash rate and then fine-tunes the voltage to maximize the miner's efficiency at the specific hash rate. It is ideal for maintaining your miners at an optimal level for longer stability. First, you will set your target hash rate. In my case, I'm using Antminer S19J Pro with 126 VM1362 chips, and the stock hash rate is 100 terahash per second. Also, my shutdown temperature is currently set at 85 degrees. I would like to set the target hash rate to 105, with a minimum throttle of 10 terahashes. In case the ambient temperature approaches within 5 degrees of the shutdown temperature, which is 85 degrees in this case, I want my miner to automatically reduce its hash rate to 10 terahashes per second, allowing it some time to cool down. Let's set these values and hit apply. Now, your miner will begin at a higher voltage and increase the clock until the certain point, then begin dropping the voltage to find the sweet spot. This process will repeat a few times to determine the optimal point and will take a couple minutes to adjust and stabilize. The sudden drop you see on the graph under real-time hash rate is normal behavior. Please make sure not to change the Tune feature under Performance tab, as the Perpetual Tune will continuously adjust the frequency and the voltage for you. Also, these presets are only available on specific miners. Note that your miner may restart several times to achieve the most efficient voltage, ensuring that no chips are left in an unstable state due to voltage adjustments. Now, let's take a look at our Chiptune feature. This algorithm also adjusts chip frequency to achieve the user-specified target hash rate, begins with -10 terahashes. It then individually tunes the frequencies of each chip to gradually reach the target hash rate. This feature proves beneficial when aiming for optimal chip performance. Let's go ahead and put some numbers. I'm going to set my target hash rate to 110, then click Apply. The miner will begin adjusting the chip clocks on each hashboard, starting from higher clocks and gradually reducing them. It will then set the voltage high and drop. Continuously, it will adjust the chip clocks and monitor the chip performance on each hashboard to identify the optimal solution for best chip performance. You can also monitor the hashboard performance on the dashboard along with other information. Again, when the Perpetual Tune is on, you don't need to change anything under Tune section. Just relax and let it ride. That's everything for this tutorial, and happy mining!